Hey YouTube, it's Jazzy J in the house, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make some lemonade. So it's kind of like a copycat of Chick-fil-A lemonade. If you guys ever tried it, it's pretty good. So I wanted to see if I can conquer that. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do, I already started it. I started juicing some lemons, as you guys can see. I have my lemon squeezer thing. So I have one more lemon of juice, I think. Yeah. Alright, so you're just gonna squeeze it. I find it easier to squeeze it with one of these because it catches the seeds for you. Okay, so once you get it all juiced out, okay. Alrighty, so put this to the side. So the next thing you want to do, well, you can if you want to, but you don't have to. I choose to do it because some people don't like the pulp, some people do. But the next thing I'm gonna do, I have my jar, my cup here, and I'm gonna strain out the lemon juice, the lemon pulp. So roughly I squeezed about 6 to 7 lemons. You can do more if you want to, you can do less. It doesn't matter, it depends on how much lemonade you're gonna make, really. So I'm about to strain it. Let's just hope I don't waste it. Alright, so now we have our lemon juice. The next thing we have to do is get our water. Here, I'm gonna wash down my bowl real quick. Okay. So now I'm going to go get water. So I have my hot water. You need your hot water and you need some cold water or some regular room temperature water. So for the hot water, you're gonna need 3 cups of that. And for the cold water, you're gonna need a cup of that, or 2 cups of that. Alright guys, so this is 1 cup of hot water. So 2 cups of hot water. And this is the 3rd cup of hot water. Okay, so, but before you put in your 2 cups of regular cold water or neutral water, you're gonna wanna store in your sugar. So stir your sugar and your hot water together. So you're gonna need a cup of sugar. So I'm a measuring cup out here, and I'm gonna measure out a cup of sugar. So I have my cup of sugar right here, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna dump it all up in here. And you're gonna wanna stir your sugar water until it's crystal clear. So until all the sugar is dissolved and you see no more of the grains, and it's clear. Alrighty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but now my water is clear and there's no signs of sugar in it. Alright, so now we're gonna add our 2 cups of cold water. So I have a water bottle of water, and just gonna put 2 cups of it in there. So 1, 2. Alright, we'll stir that together. Okay, after you do that, after you add all your water and your sugar, the final step is to get your lemon juice, and you're going to want to pour your lemon juice inside and mix it with your water mixture. And then you're just going to stir it. Okay, so once it's a good mixture, you're gonna want to get your pitcher. So I have my pitcher right here. Want to get your pitcher, and you want to pour your lemonade into your pitcher. If you want to, you can add ice, or you can just put it in the refrigerator and let it get cool. But here, I'm going to pour it. So now I have some fresh homemade lemonade, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.